This is Matt with Hauling Inspections. I want to talk about the importance of removing your garden hose every winter from your hose bib. So you can see right now we have our pressure tester on this wall. You can also see the water running down this foundation wall over along in here and stuff. So what's happened is somebody left a hose bib connected to this hydrant faucet, and that hose bit and that faucet line has then broke throughout the winter. As soon as we put some pressure on this, like we did here doing a standard pressure test on the water, now we have water running down the inside of the wall, down the foundation wall and everything. This is why it is so important to remove those hoses every winter. For all your home inspection questions and all your home inspection needs in the St. Louis and the Metro East, call Hauling Inspections at 314-257-0040 or 618-593-9631. We wish everyone a safe and happy day. Thank you.